Hello, another Maker Advent, and today the focus of our video is what's in the centre here. A super Dinky Blinky. This I picked up from Pimoroni, Black Friday sale again, but it's still pretty cheap. It's currently £3. So what's that, about $4 or $5 tops? And it's a simple LED blinking board. That's all it is. We've got screw connections or crocodile clip connections in the corners, and we just plug in what we need to, so power and the LEDs, and away we go. So I've got a little experiment set up here. I've got, I'm going to read it, just double check. Yeah, it's a CP2102 USB to serial module, which has a 3-volt pin on it. Yep, second pin down, just next to the reset, just there. I've got some crocodile clips, which I got from CPC ages ago, which have croc clips on one end, but standard breadboard connections on the other. I'll try and find a link for them. And of course I've got a crocodile clip to LED. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just plug in my power connections and talk whimsically about something. So I'm going to put the 3-volt connection on first. It says only 3 volts on there, so I'm not going to test it with 5 in case I blow it. I mean, £3, it's not a massive loss, but you know, I don't want to just destroy something just because I can. Okay, that's plugged in. So I'm going to put ground onto the ground connection on here, which is that one there, and 3 volts onto here. Let's just get it from this untidy mess of wires. I know, I didn't tidy up from the show last night, I just sort of dumped stuff, which isn't the best thing to do in the world. Okay, keep that on camera. There we go. LED and ground are connected. I'm going to plug this into my 5-volt power connection here. In fact, no, let's not do that. Let's use a USB power bank in case something goes thermonuclear. So as we all know, USB has 3 positions. The wrong way, the right way, which is usually the first way you put it in. Right, we've got light, so that board is powered up. Put that to one side. And let's get my crocodile clips. So white is the long leg, the anode, and green is the short leg, cathode. So that goes on there, LED 1. And I'm going to try and connect the other one once you try and stick it up on here. Now there isn't much space on there. There you go. There isn't like 2 ground connections, there's only 1, which I think is an oversight, but hey ho, it is what it is. So is that still lit up? Yes it is. If I press a button now, did I get it the wrong way around? Double check. I think that's 3 volts. Is that LED? Is it CP2102? Yes it is. Ooh. Okay. Jump cut. Okay, we are back. Well, say we, it's just me here, but anyway, we're all here watching it. Flashing blue LED. I've plugged it in not to my USB power bank, just to a standard USB power. Hello, this is Future Les. I'm editing the video now and I've just tested something. It's not the power supply, it was the LED. That red LED was duff. I just didn't know. The blue one was fine, the power supplies are fine. So you can use USB power with this. A shimmering PWM, so it's not like a fade in, fade out, but like a shimmer where it just slightly dips. Flashing. Slightly slower flashing. That's like a shimmery flash. It sort of flashes for a bit, then shimmers. Then a really slow flash. But yeah, I quite like this. It's a good bit of fun. I mean, £3. It's nice and cheap. Connections are all croc clips. Obviously, if USB power supply, not this one, is working properly, then it's fine and dandy. Mine was sort of having an off day. But yeah, quite enjoy it. £3, bit of fun, croc clips, LEDs, kids can play around with it. All good. Right, that's it for today. See you later.